Hi, this is Christy with Rustic Fiber Academy, and I wanted to show you how I make the printouts for my feathers for the water-soluble feather method that I have. And then, I mean, you don't have to use it for that method. You could use it with some of the other methods we share too on Rustic Fiber Academy. So right here, this is on Canva. You can do this same thing on other spaces where you can create and upload documents. So I have two pictures uploaded that I had previously saved. This is for the Western Bluebird. Now, the first part I'm doing is I'm doing a background remover, which you don't have to do. It just makes it easier. So I'm going to go ahead on Canva. I have this BG remover, which actually, the free version, it's not available. But if you pay for it, it is. So now I'm going to scroll down and I am going to get it to the right size. So it's just like right down to how tall, to the tallest feather on here. Do it with this other one too, the tail feathers, where I'm just going to line it up. Okay, so now I want to do some research, right? I'm going to go to a new tab, and hopefully you can see this tab. I'm not sure if you're going to, and it's going to tell me. So first I'm looking at this. These ones right here are about the tail feathers. I think they're at 7.5 centimeters long. So I'm going to research and I'm going to go I'm going to go on Google and I'm just going to do 7 centimeters to px or pixels. And it's coming up saying that there's about 264. So then what I can do is see this resizing right here for the height. That's what I want. I want it to read 264. And once we're there, that's about how tall these are going to get. So I might just do it at 270. And then the wing feathers, I think they're actually a little bit larger. So, but I'm still going to go about the same. Probably going to head in the 280 range. And there you have it. Then I just print it out. It's so simple. It's just something you have to remember. Like sometimes I forget when I do this how I did it before, so I have to do a little research. So save this video if you want to, just as something you can come back to when you are doing your next set of feathers.